I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email threading options on the Mail app of your iPhone. So first we'll go to Settings, then we'll scroll all the way to the bottom and click Apps, then scroll down to M to find the Mail settings. Now we'll scroll down and look for threading, and we have this threading section here. Now you can choose Organize by Thread and have that toggled on. You can have collapse the read messages. Typically, I like to have that toggled on as well. You can have the most recent message on the top, which I definitely recommend, and then you can also have the complete threads. Essentially what these are going to do is basically keep a single conversation all together, and especially the most recent message on top so that you can, see the most important thing that's kind of up to date. If you toggle this off, it's not going to have the whole thread there. I like to have that on. Collapse read messages, you'll be able to see all of them, but it'll be collapsed. You can tap to open all of the ones that you've read, but it will be nice and succinct so you're just seeing the unread message. And then organized by thread, of course, means that the entire thread is going to be together, and that's going to be one single line, and it's going to be organized that way so you can have all of your specific conversations all in one place. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.